I have extremely hard clay soil. What can I do to make it better? And this is Maria on YouTube. That's actually a good question.
It's a great question.
Right. And before we get started with that, so everybody wants to curse clay. Clay is not that bad because it does hold nutrients and it holds water.
Right.
But if you have a lot of it, it needs to be broken up, of course. So how do we do that?
Compost would be my first recommendation. Especially if you have your own compost. So you're going to have to amend it to get some more nutrients in there.
Yeah, so I would amend it compost, composted manure, horse or cow manure, something else I would add. Humus, something I would add as well, leaf litter. How about some of your cover crops, which are considered to be green manures? So like vetch, your clovers, winter rye is something that comes to mind, buckeye, alfalfa, to help build up that soil tilth, if you will.
Right.
So those are the kind of things I would incorporate or amend to that clay soil, right?
Yeah.
To get it nice and fluffy.
Definitely.
To grow whatever you need.
Yep, organic material.
I'm all about the organic material.
Yep.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.